Boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah, take it, yeah, stop it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain.
Hey guys, today we're going to be making some stuffed chicken. First you're going to get some garlic butter and melt it down in a pan. Then you're going to get some spinach and saute that in there all together. Next you'll get some cream cheese and you're going to microwave it until it becomes soft and creamy like this, so that way you can mix all your ingredients in there. You're going to grate some fresh Parmesan cheese to add to the cream cheese mixture. Also, you're going to want to grate some fresh mozzarella cheese to add in there and mix that all together into one bowl. You're going to use that to stuff your chicken with. Here is the mixture. Here's the cheese. Here are the ones I already stuffed. I'm sorry, I did do a lot of steps without showing you guys. So once that's done, you're going to put it in the microwave at 425 for about an hour and a half. Here is it after. There's only 2 pieces left because I forgot to make a video after I took it out, but it was delicious. Hope you enjoyed.